Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making easy Dalheem recipe. It looks so tasty, right? Comment down and tell me. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. Let's start the video. Take a bowl. Halim masala 2 packets. Now you have to open it and add it in the bowl. And there are 2 types of masala. This one is the main masala, which includes the whole batter. Now add 2 glasses of water. And remember, this must be lump free. There must be no lumps. You can see it will look something like that, but there are still lumps. So we are also gonna make it lump free by adding some water and keep mixing. Something like that. There are no lumps. So this is the second masala in the same packet. So our second step is we are going to make korma. For that you will need to take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. In that 4 tablespoons of oil, add 1 kg of meat. Now add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Now mix well until they get combined. So here are some masalas. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon haldi, 1 tablespoon garam masala, salt according to your taste, red chili flakes 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of jeera. Add this full masala into the pot. Now as always, mix it until they all get combined very well. These are 2 tablespoons of fried onions. Add some water to make its gravy. Now our korma is at a boil. So let's move on to our next step. This is the no lump paste that we made earlier on our first step. And you can also add the rest of that. Now this is the second halim masala that I showed you earlier. We have mixed some water in it and added in. So this is the korma, which is now ready. Now what you have to do is take out some meat from it and shred the meat. This we are going to use it later. Now back to our halim. We are going to add the korma gravy. Now also here our halim is at a boil. Next it will turn out something like that. Our next step is the meat one. We have to add the shredded meat and so mix well. Now you can serve this recipe. Our yummy recipe is ready to eat. It looks so tasty. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.